Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? We are here in the sunshine city of Portmore. I'm gonna stop right here so I don't want to go and sound a joke. We're near Cayman's track, guys. If you bet on horses, that's your thing. You might win and you might not win. But if you join us today by clicking on the link down here or in the description box, I'm going to take off my mask so you can hear me because they run nobody, they can't lock me up. Right? If you click on the link, join us today. You know, no betting, you know, in no if, but, or maybe, you're going to win a free shipping coupon to ship your first item under £5, absolutely free. You're also going to get 4 free shipping coupons per year as a guarantee. Alright? So, just give it a quinella, guys. Go ahead, click the link, join us today. We are your friendly neighborhood shipping company. We allow you to ship your items to Jamaica and then we come and deliver it to your doorstep. Alright guys, so catch you later. I go back here man as now. I go bet pan to horse and say I can win some money. Catch you guys later. Bye.